I don't know who in their right mind is cutting grass today. Hola, hello, bienvenidos. Hi, what's good? All right, you guys, today I want to do my makeup rehab series video that I have. I know that I've been promising you guys that sanitation video. I don't even know if that's the right word to say it, but it is coming. I promise you guys. I just had other things that I had to film because they're supposed to fall on certain days. So hopefully it'll be up next week. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. Anyway, so today you're here to figure out what it is that I got as gifts, empties, pans, you know the whole drill. Oh my goodness. This is an interesting month. So, yep, my hair says it all, you guys. All right, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, you guys, so we have quite a bit of things to go through. So we're gonna go ahead and obviously let's see what I got for PR and gifts this past month, because that is something I want you guys to know, be well aware of. I did not spend money on these items, but they still came into my life. They are affecting my numbers, and boy, will my inventory numbers be affected this year. Just putting it out there. First thing I did get in PR is this from Alter Ego, the Coastal Palette, which I have done a whole video on. I am currently wearing this on my eyeballs today with other eyeshadows. I'm still liking it. I'm still enjoying it. I dig it. I dig it, you guys. I dig it. And I really do like how this just goes with the flow. It goes with the flow. You get it with the whole packaging stuff. So this is something that I did get in PR. Thank you very much, Alter Ego. That is awesome. If you guys want to purchase anything from them, I do have a coupon code in the description box if you are interested in using that. So what else did come in? So my friend Lisa, my beautiful friend Lisa here on Instagram, she doesn't do YouTube anymore. She does Instagram, which she does amazing posts on. She lives in Canada and we always exchange gifts for Christmas, and her Christmas gift came just a little bit late this year, which is fine. I do not expect anything at all ever. Like seriously, I really don't. So this was a total surprise when it came into my doorstep. Mr. Man's like, you got a package and it doesn't look like it's from a normal place. So you guys, my numbers are officially shattered for the makeup inventory of this year. She sent me a whole box of stuff, and a lot of this is cream and cream blushes, cream highlighters, cream lip glosses, cream, you name it, it's in here. So she did send me such a beautiful, beautiful package. I posted a whole entire look of what I got on my Instagram. So I will post it on here somewhere if I remember exactly all the things that I got. I got a lot of things and I'm so grateful. I do want to do a few get ready with me, testing out some of these items. A lot of these items are new to me because you guys know I do not buy any cream or liquid products unless I absolutely need them or want to replace. So I haven't bought any cream blushes in like this whole hype with cream blushes or liquid blushes. I haven't bought any. So for me, all these are brand new, so I'm excited to see how they work because I do want to use them in the summertime just on their own. So that'll be coming up. So that's a lot of stuff. So my numbers will be officially shattered. And then the last three things that did come into my life were these three things. And let me explain to you guys what happened here. So I swear, my youngest sister has this radar. And every time I buy new foundations, she so happens to reach out. I ran out of everything. Do you have anything that you don't want, that you've tried, whatever the case may be? And sure enough, I told her the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty was going on. So I did mention that to her, and she did get herself some brushes because she asked me about foundations, brushes, and things. So things were on sale for her, which worked out great. So she took advantage of some of the sales coupons, things of that nature. Tarte was having their Shape Tape half off on one of the days, and she bought the Shape Tape, and then she bought the ultra creamy Shape Tape, which I didn't even know they had this. So she bought both of these, did not like it. This is how I ended up with them. But wait, she ended up at a better deal. So she ended up giving me these. She did not like how these worked. I don't either like them the best, but I've been able to figure out ways of working with them. So they are in my collection and they're brand new. So why not get use out of them? I'm actually wearing the ultra creamy today under my eye. So it doesn't look bad as so long as I prep my under eyes. That's what I've learned. And I think I found something that just works wonderfully under my eyes. So anything should be okay under there going forward. Then she ended up, obviously I told you she needed a new foundation. So she likes Laura Mercier. That's one of her favorite brands. So she wanted to try this one out, which was the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I've never tried this one. So I could not tell her whether it was good or not. So she ended up buying this one. Way too light for her, one, and two, she didn't like the finish of it on her. It was way too drying on her. So I ended up with it, but I ended up with 2 more concealers and 1 more foundation in my collection. But you guys, she ended up leaving with 3 of my new foundations. 3 different foundations, 3 different concealers, and 1 corrector. And one of my concealers that she took was my Dior one. So she ended up winning like a bandit. So don't feel bad for her. And even though I brought these 3 things into my collection as gifts, I took away 2 more, you know what I mean? Like, so I brought in 1 foundation from her and she took 3 away. I brought in 2 concealers, she took 3 away plus a corrector. So in all honesty, it all washed out and my numbers went down from what it was, even though I'm adding these 3 things to it. So she's excited, she's happy. She got her concealer, she got her foundations, and I did put a limit on what foundation she could take because I love a lot of my new ones and I was not willing to part with some of them. So that's why I gave in and gave her the Dior concealer because I knew she really wanted that one, and since I wasn't going to give up a lot of my good foundations, I gave her that one. So that's the 5. Basically, well, this whole thing I count as 1. This whole box is 1, but there's a bunch of stuff in here. So that's basically the 5 things that came in. The palette, 2 concealers, a foundation, and this whole box of goodies. So it's a lot, you guys. It's a lot. I did not expect any of this because I'm not buying much unless I need it. I have yet, again, we are going to go into May and I have yet to buy 1 single eyeshadow palette, you guys. You guys, this has got to be a record because by March, I'm already buying something. And I do really want that Too Faced Italian Spritz one. I'm just waiting for it to go on sale to get it because I really want it. But I'm not willing to pay the full price because I know those Too Faced palettes always go on sale. So I'm holding off. Something tells me that next month I will end up breaking that and buying some eyeshadow palettes because during the Memorial Day weekend sale, there's always new releases of these specific indie brands that I love to buy. Sydney Grace, Menagerie Cosmetics, the ones that I can trust and depend on. I have a feeling they're going to be releasing things. So something tells me I might end up with a new eyeshadow palette next month. So let's move on to any purchases. I did not buy anything that hindered my beauty budget. You guys saw that I've done hauls. I've shared it with you guys flat out. But the things that I did end up purchasing throughout the month of April were replacements or skincare / tools and accessories, body care, and hair care. So I did not purchase any makeup at all whatsoever there was nothing that I could think, nope, absolutely nothing. I went through everything and there was nothing that is going to hinder my points. So I have 0. I have no purchases at all this month, the first month where it is a good one. It's a good one. As far as empties go, I do have quite a bit of empties. Here's my little basket that I keep here. So let's go through our empties because I will be bringing back. And I never even mentioned this, you guys. We're starting out with 18 credits. Where is my brain? Why didn't I do that in the beginning? I don't know. All right, so we have 18 credits and we still have 18 credits because I didn't take away any purchases. So let's see for empties because this is where I gain points back even though I have plenty to go around. First and foremost, we finished off this Gosh shadow pencil in blue. You guys know how we do it with the what do you call it? Soccer team. So we got a lot more to go, guys. Got a lot more. I ended up finishing a L'Oreal one in the gold. All these had some use to them. These were not brand new. Then we had this one, which is like a dark brown L'Oreal one. I can't remember the name of this one. Does it even say it on here? Nope, but it's like a chocolatey cool tone brown. Then we had like this burgundy brown shade. Beautiful shade, again from L'Oreal. And then this green one from L'Oreal. So we have more of those. Then we finished off Laura Mercier mascara. This was a really good mascara. I really like this one. Yeah, it's the Caviar Volume. It gave me volume. I really like that one. I really enjoyed it while I used it. I forgot to share with you guys last month about this one. This is the MAC Oak liner. I can't pull it out right now, but this is my MAC Oak liner. I've been working on this all last year into this year, and I finally finished it this year. So I have one liner down. Very, very exciting. Then we have the Ulta Beauty Brow Gel in Clear. This was okay. I didn't find this to be anything extraordinary or horrible to work with. So yeah, I wouldn't mind if I got this again, free gift with purchase. And when you take the stopper out, you guys, you get a heck of a lot more product. I did take the stopper out. I would not recommend that though. I won't do that again with another brow gel because it gets super goopy and all over the place and disgusting. I did finish this off. Very happy that I am down again for the brow gels because I don't buy them. And last but not least, I was able to finish this concealer. At least I got a concealer out even though I'm bringing two in. This is the Charlotte Tilbury medium shade Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. And yes, I did pull out the stoppers. You guys can see it is completely gone. This is a mini size and I scraped as much of the walls as I possibly could. Did I like this concealer? No. I liked it. I didn't love it. I'll tell you that much. It says radiant, but I felt like it was really drying under my eyes. I had to mix it sometimes with things. I had a little bit goes a long way, but it's just not a formula that I care for too much. I don't know. Something about it just I didn't like. I just did not like. It was doable, but I was dying to get it done. It wasn't something that I would buy a full size of. It wasn't something that I would request to get as a gift. If I got another one of these as a gift with purchase, okay, it works. It works. It's just something about it. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe it might be the shade. I got medium and it did work fine, but it's just wasn't my favorite, you guys. So I ended up finishing 9 empties this past month, which means I get to add 9 credits back into my bank, which means I am up 27 credits. Pans. I went through my whole entire collection, you guys. I didn't hit one pan. The things that I am panning right now as far as eyeshadows are difficult to do. And I don't want to spoil anything for my pan those eyeshadows, so I'm not sharing anything until I do that video, and then I will count my pans for the following month. That's what I try to do. So if I hit any pans in my pan those eyeshadows, you won't see them until I do my update on them. So as of right now, 0 pans. I have no pans to share with you guys. This is one of the first months where I don't have any pan in anything. No face products, no eyeshadow products, no nothing, which is fine with me. I'm not here on a race. I'm not here to prove anything. I'm not here to, show off or anything. It's good. I'm good with that. I'm fine and content with that. This past month, we started out with 18 credits, 0 purchases, 9 empties, 0 pans, which puts us at 27 credits in total. All right, what does that mean, you guys? I will tell you guys, next month is May. Next month is Memorial Day weekend sales and things. I definitely know that I will be making purchases. I don't know what yet. I know for sure I do have to replenish my sunscreen. My sunscreen's expensive. I buy one of the Elta MD ones, and during Memorial Day weekend sale, I can get a buy one, get one free for the price of one. So that's when I stock up on those and they last me a whole year. So I will be purchasing that, but that's skincare, so it's not really gonna count. As far as makeup, something tells me that there will be eyeshadow palette releases and I may get one. Natasha Denona has been rather quiet when it comes to her eyeshadow palettes, and normally I like to buy her things. I did not buy her face palette that she recently came out with this year. I wasn't interested in that. And she recently came out with concealers, which I'm not interested in again. I'm good when it comes to my complexion products. I think I've replenished everything that I've wanted to so far. There is that Tarte corrector that I'm still interested in, but I have to work through at least 1.5 more correctors before I get there. When I'm almost there, you guys. I know that I will have some empties next month when it comes to things that I've used up, because I'm almost done with one thing. The other one is about to get a stopper pulled out. So I am getting there. I'm very excited. Even though I'm bringing some things, I am pulling things out, and my sister has this little, I swear she bugged my room and knows when I bring in stuff that she needs, because she calls me right away. Hey, I ran out of this. Do you have any you can give me? Yep, that was her. She does it every time with no fail. Like, I mean, every single time she will know that I purchased some foundations and concealers and she will ask me, do you have any? Because I ran out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you're going with your makeup rehab series, your low buys. How's it going? For me, I'm doing this for you guys. I want to share with you guys what I purchase, what I bring in as far as PR, what my empties are. That's the main reason why I do these, is not necessarily to keep me on track, but it is still allowing me to see what is coming in overall, because I do want to do like maybe a mid-year check-in to see how much stuff I brought in, how much stuff I've really liked, and how much stuff I shouldn't have bought. Like, I'm thinking of doing that mid-year. Let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, peace out.